Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello everyone. Another GPT video, and this one is on getting the most out of custom GPTs. Previously this feature is only available for ChatGPT Plus subscribers. But now of course we know with GPT 4.0 all the features available for ChatGPT Plus users now also available in GPT 4.0. Custom GPT is what makes ChatGPT even more powerful. Just like our smartphone, right? Almost everyone have a smartphone, very powerful piece of device, expensive, and has a lot of features. But how many of us really utilize even 20% of the features? But it's expensive, it's smart, and yet we underutilize it. The same thing for ChatGPT. There are so many features, very powerful, and yet maybe not many really utilize or harness the power of ChatGPT. So this is the video I'm going to show you and share with you custom GPT. So let's head on to ChatGPT. So I'm already signed in into my ChatGPT 4.0. As you can see on the left hand side here, these are the so-called custom GPT. What actually this custom GPT does and why it's so special? Custom GPT is ChatGPT that has been customized to perform specific function, maybe one function, one task only, dedicated and specialized, but it can do this one special function or task very, very well because it just focus on one. So that's why we call it custom GPT. Okay. And as you can see here, the number here, 61 more, it means that I have saved or I have pinned down on the left hand side here for easy access more than 60 GPTs. So I have tried out and I find some of the GPTs are very useful. So I pin down here so that I can have quick access to it. As you can see here, I click long list of all this, and each one of these performs specific function. For example, here prompt professor, this GPT will help me to improve my prompt. This one creative writing coach, of course, to help me to write creative work. Travel guru to help me to plan my travel. Um, Canva, Canva also have a special GPT. So you can actually give instruction in ChatGPT to create something, and then it will create and take us to Canva and give us the results. Now, where to find all this GPT? All this GPT can be found on the so-called GPT Store created by OpenAI. So here on the left-hand side, you can see Explore GPTs. Yeah, Explore GPTs. So you click that, and here it will take you to the GPT Store. Discover and create custom version of ChatGPT that combine instruction, extra knowledge, and any combination of skill. Currently, there are more than 3,000, maybe 4,000 or more GPTs that have been created by people around the world. And they make it public probably soon or sometime in the future. Probably this will also become kind of like Apple Store and so on. They will commercialize it, meaning that they will monetize it. So some GPTs will be available for free. Some probably you have to pay the premium one. Yeah. So you can search for the GPT here because there are a few thousands of them. So you just search GPT that can perform certain function. Search for it. Let's say I want to find something on data analysis. So you just type. Before that, I just want to show you the category here. Top picks. Basically, what you see here are the featured or the top picks currently. People are using it a lot. It's become very popular. So it will come up here. Consensus and so on. Writing category, productivity, research and analysis. Okay. So when you click, it will jump to that section. education, lifestyle, daily programming. So if I scroll down, it will take me to that particular section. Or if I can just click writing, it will take me to the writing section. And these are some of the featured GPT that can do various things on writing, productivity. So from top here, we have the current picks, trending, image generator, Scholar, GPT, Canva, Humanizer Pro to humanize your ChatGPT output, logo creator, consensus for research, write for me. Then here under productivity, so this is trending. So there are also GPTs curated by OpenAI. Okay, DALI, of course, DALI is very very popular for image generation, data analysis, hot mods, and so on. Writing, productivity, research and analysis. These are some of the featured one. Education, lifestyle, DALI 3. These are some of the GPTs that can do similar function as DALI 3, but maybe in different ways for image generation, programming, and so on. You can see more here. You can click here to see more. But there are 3,000 or 4,000 GPTs. I don't think you want to really spend time to browse one by one. Yeah, there are people doing that, and then they found a good one, then they will highlight. So what you want to do is to quickly search for the GPT that you want. For example, let's say data analysis. Okay, data analysis. Then you will see a list of GPT listed related to data or data analysis. And how do you know which one is good, which one is better than the other? So one of the indicators is looking at the number of people who have used this. For example, here data analysis and report AI, 50K, 50,000 people. So this one 10K, this one 10K, 5K, 600. So just like kedai makan, eating places or restaurants, when you see the restaurant has a lot of people, very crowded, first thing that come to your mind is, mesti sedap ni. Okay, the food must be good because a lot of people. Then probably most likely you will go and try the food in the restaurant, right? Just like, so similar thing here, data analysis and report AI appears to be very popular. So maybe you want to try. Okay, let's say I pick this one for the purpose of demonstration, or this, maybe try this one, advanced data analysis. So I click this, and then can see, okay, the advanced data analysis assistant offering insights and guidance. 4.0, the rating is 4.0, and this rating is given by 900 people. 4.0, probably reasonably good, but usually we want to look for 4.5 and above, right? But maybe we can give it a try. Research and analysis, this category, and 10K plus people have used it, which is maybe not bad. Okay, then the more information, then let's say we want to try this out, start chat. Then you can see these are the starter prompt that you can use. Usually when I want to try a new GPT, the first thing that I do is I read the short description here, but maybe that is very short. So this is very short. So if you want to know more what this GPT can do, you can just ask a questions. What this GPT can do or can do. And this is where you get more information. What actually this particular GPT can do. Okay. Then you can start to prompt this GPT to do whatever that you like. And let's say you like this GPT and you want to save it, or you want to pin this GPT for easy access on the sidebar here. So what you can do, you can just scroll down and down until you see the name of this GPT, which is this one. Okay, advanced data analysis. So When you put the cursor there, you see the 3 dots here, and this is where you choose keep in sidebar. Then it will save it for permanent access, easy access, quick access on the left hand side here. Okay, so let's say you are using ChatGPT or any GPT. In this case, I'm using advanced data analysis, and then I want to call up other GPTs while I'm using ChatGPT or using another GPT. I want to call up another GPT. I don't have to go and open another GPT. I can call up this GPT, for example, in web reader, for example, or let's say maybe I can take this opportunity to demonstrate to you Whimsical, which is one of my favorite GPT. I want to call up Whimsical in here, and I want Whimsical is actually a mind mapping GPT or application that can do mind map, flowchart, and so on. So I want Whimsical to do a mind map of this text. So to call up any GPT, you type add, and then if you have used the GPT that you want to call up recently, it will appear here in the list. If it doesn't appear, then you can type A and you can type the name of the GPT. But in this case, it's already appear here in the list because I have used it recently. So I just type. So now you can see Whimsical diagram. You are using Whimsical diagram inside another GPT. Okay, so let's say summarize in mind map. ChatGPT will understand because summarize what? Summarize all this in mind map. So now GPT called Whimsical is doing its work inside this GPT, Advanced Data Analysis. Okay, now you get the mind map. Okay, then you can Whimsical diagram is a separate application which you can sign up and sign in. So once you have signed in into Whimsical, when you use Whimsical inside ChatGPT, it will connect these two applications seamlessly. So if you want, here you can see view or edit this diagram. When you click this, it will take you to the Whimsical diagram application website. Then you can do more things here inside the Whimsical diagram application website. Okay. Now, that's basically how you use GPT. Now, maybe I just want to show a few. Another one, Video Maker, which is Video Maker with GPT. The actual application is called InVideo AI, which you can create a video just by using a prompt. You can create a video easily. Okay. Let me find GPT Glib. Yeah, this one also my favorite. Glibatry Art Designer. This one for image generation. Of course, you can use DALI, but this Glibatry Art Designer can create with one prompt. It can create 4 or 5 versions of the image from one prompt. So let me show. Okay, to save time, I don't want to type any prompt. I just pick from the starter prompt here. An aerial view of an eagle flying over a river. Okay, so since you want 4 images, or it will create 4 images, and then it will give you the prompt also. So you can copy this prompt and you can take this prompt, copy this prompt, and paste this prompt into another image generator like Midjourney, Leonardo, Bing Image Creator, Ideogram, and so on. So you can see now Glibatry is generating the image, and the second image is coming up now, and will create 4 versions of the image. Yeah, this first version, Now coming up, the second version. Okay, that's Glibatory Art Designer GPT. What else? Well, if I show you one by one what all these GPT that I have here will take a long time. So I think that's about all that I want to show you very quickly about custom GPT. And I have only demonstrated a few GPTs, but I hope you have got some ideas how you can harness more power from ChatGPT or GPT 4.0 now by using the GPT that would perform certain functions, certain tasks for you, and that will really add more power for you and really maximizing more of the power available in ChatGPT or GPT 4.0. All right. So that's all for this video. I hope I've given value for your precious time watching this video, and feel free to share this video. All right. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.